Okay, we said that we're going to come and show you Andara. We're meeting lots of people on the street and individual kids and mums and dads and people are selling stuff. But first of all, what is Andara? On Sunday morning, it's about 1 kilometre of warungs going that way and about a half a kilometre of warungs going that way. So this is a bit off the centre. Dan apa itu Andara? Serangkaian warung-warung dan toko kecil sana sampai sono kira-kira 1 kilo, mungkin 1 kilo ini di tanah aja ya. Tapi mostly Andara is just people, yeah, people who meet, they shop around a little bit, maybe spend 50 cents or $1 and enjoy mixing with their friends and family, and nejing and jajang are things that people like doing in Andara. Just like Pule Andara, I like nejing and I like jajang. So please join us at Andara. And remember, click, subscribe, like Pule Andara. Pak, ini kalau pagi sini berapa duit?
Ya 10.000, 5.000
Terserah ya, seisi hati aja ya. Serai lain. Kalau 2.000?
ya terima terus.
Kalah ya. Namanya dengan 20 ya mungkin ada. Oke, kita damai aja ya, saya kasih goceng ya. Oke, bayar sudah di sini atau kalau datang?
Sekarang boleh, ntar boleh.
Dua-duanya juga boleh.
Ya.
Okay. This is our tukang party here at Andara, and it's the first bloke we're running to. So no pain, just say hello. We want to introduce Andara to know what the hell goes on here. So this bloke might know. Andara sudah berada di sini berapa tahun Pak?
Bajar.
Yeah.
Kurang lebih ada 10.
10 tahun sudah. Okay.
Kurang lebih.
It's about 10 years that we've had the pasar, you call it pasar, yeah?
Yeah.
The market, the local market on Sunday. Hanya hari Minggu pagi ya?
Hari Minggu aja.
It's only on Sunday morning. Sampai jam berapa?
Ya dari pagi sampai jam 12.
Okay, midday it's all over. Okay. Kamu rata-rata dari mana?
Ya dari mana aja.
Ya, oke, bebas ya. Paling orang lokal atau juga orang luar?
Tur ada.
Okay.
Ya.
Yeah, most of the guests here are local community, but now people are starting to come from outside, and that's what I want to encourage. Okay, back to tukang parkir, namanya siapa?
Ale.
Ale, Pak Ale. Nah, dia cari di YouTube, namanya Pule Andara. Ada siaran dari YouTube. Nah, dia akan ini hari pertama, dia mau rekam. Sebentar lagi akan muncul di YouTube yang namanya Pule Andara. Gampang diingat kan? Ini gulanya, itu antaranya. Yuk, kita lanjutkan. Let's go forward. First, like and subscribe is from Pak siapa? Pak Ale is our first like and subscribe, I hope ya. Lanjutkan, Adi harus like and subscribe ya. Harus like and subscribe. Janji loh, nanti saya naik kembali nggak? Nggak di
Belum, baru datang.
Kau jalan-jalan.
Cucu.
Oh, your cucu.
Yeah.
This lady is here with her grandson ya, and they're just about to go and shop in Andara. Mengapa pilih datang ke Andara?
Dekat lah.
Okay, she's going to shop here in Andara because it's nice and close ya. Punya target mau beli apa?
Ya, jajanan bocah.
Jajanan bocah aja. She's just going to buy something for the kid, yeah, maybe a snack or a little toy, maybe, yeah. Okay, Bu. I hope you enjoy Andara, ya.
Iya, makasih.
Ingat, Pule Andara.
Iya.
Mari, Bu.
Siap.
Bu,
Ya.
sebelum saya kenalkan diri,
Ya.
saya namanya Pule Andara.
Andara.
Ya, ini akan jadi YouTube. Akan jadi YouTube yang paling ngetok. Dia tahu aja ya, akan jadi yang paling ngetok di target ini ya. Ini asisten saya, refugi dari Singapura.
Oh, siap.
Orangnya bawa loh, yo.
Kalau Mister dari mana?
Saya refugi dari Australia.
Oh,
Iya,
sudah
iya.
WNI atau masih?
Tanggung,
ya.
warga negara tetap di sini.
Oke.
Ya, di sini tinggal juga tetap ya. Siapa ibu dan anaknya?
Oh, ini keponakan.
Keponakan?
Ini anaknya ini.
Oke.
Ini dua keponakan. Adik kakak.
Adik kakak.
Saya adik kakak.
Jadi keponakan ya.
Ya.
Dan ini bukan ibu ini punya ibu. Oke. Okay. So what are we doing here? We met Ibu with her daughter. No, her sister. Sorry. Her sister and her sisters are the two daughters. So these are keponakan. And this is Ibu. And this is ini Ibu dan ini Tante ya. Tante ya. Right. Sudah belanja di Andara? Sudah. Sering?
Setiap minggu sih.
Oke. Kenapa datang sini?
Jajan.
Jajan. Enak
Sambil jalan.
They come here every week to Andara because they like to jajan. You will hear that word a lot. They like to jajan. Hari ini beli apa?
Tiap hari nih. Dimsum.
Susu kedai. Okay, so you've got Pinalay is cold food, soy milk and some candies for the kids, and they just enjoy coming. Every week they come to Andara just to relax as a family, and that's what it's all about here. It's a bit sort of hangout place, buy a little bit, drink a little bit, not Australian style drinking, but a little bit of nice drinks and have some fun, ya. And meet people, ya. Enak juga banyak bergolong di sini, ya.
Ya.
Lihat orang mundar-mandir,
Ya.
mangan orang makan asal ngumpulnya.
Ngumpul. Betul.
Monggo Bu ya, terima
Ya,
kasih ya.
thank you.
Nanti kalau cari, ini akan muncul di episode pertama, namanya Bule Antara.
Oke.
Jadi gampang cari YouTube Bule Antara. Tada! Kelihatan ya. Monggo. Sukses and nanti harus like and subscribe ya. Yuk. This is walking into one of the entrances to Antara, and this is how it begins. Little kids playstations. Anyway, we go on. Ini namanya apa? Apa? Lamang.
Ya.
Isinya apa?
Ketan direbus pakai santan di bambu, dibakar di bambu.
Okay, that's boiled rice cake. Isinya apa?
Ketan yang
Ketan, okay, yeah.
dimasak di bambu, dikasih
Okay, okay, you cook it in the bamboo, and it's got rice and is it called sticky rice? Istilahnya, sticky rice, ya. Kayak beras yang lengket-lengket ya. Ini dong, harus wawancara ya. Berani wawancara nggak? Saya kasih duit kalau berani wawancara. Yuk, oke ya. Ini juga kamu sini. Ini biar tahu ya Bu. Ini kalau cari YouTube Bule Antara ya. Saya mau perkenalkan Mas lihat Antara sama YouTube. Itu sudah. Saya nggak tahu YouTube, tapi ini kasih dulu. Tapi caranya, ya. Saya kasih duitnya, tapi dikit-dikit saya bikin lebih siapa itu Anda kalau pernah ditanya kan? Oke ini tolong, oke ini susun. Cari itu begini nggak gampang, cari uang begini tidak gampang saya tahu ya. So looking for money this way, it's not easy, and I know it's like having trouble looking for money. So my empathy is with these ladies who are looking for money. Ya, girls, how long sudah berapa lama nongkrong di Antara sini?
Setiap hari om, buat cicip,
Sudah berapa lama? Sudah lama ya. Second tahun. The girls have been coming here. This is a clown uniform. Ini seragam dangdut ya, seragam badut. Okay, so it's a clown uniform, right? Dangdut ini dangdut ya. Iya, oh ini toppingnya pakai hari ini. Mana yang maaf, itu hot dalam lain, okay? Boleh saya tanyakan kehidupannya, kan di rumah ada anak, ada orang tua yang mengandalkan usaha Anda? Masih punya anak? Berapa anaknya? Dua anak kembar. Well, she's got twin kids. Usianya berapa? 5 tahun. Two 5-year-old twin kids. Boy, girl, laki-laki, perempuan? Boy and a girl, her twin children. Anaknya? Satu anak ya? Usianya berapa? 2 tahun ya, okay. This lady has a 2-year-old son ya. Punya suami masing-masing nggak? Cari duit dari mana? Kalau suami cari duit dari mana? Pakaian, okay. And ibu? Okay. This lass's husband sells clothes, and the other lass sells jamu. Swami and her husband sells the Indonesian traditional metals, the jamu, yeah? Okay, but nikmat di sini atau enggak? Nikmati suasana di Antara ya? Oke, meskipun susah sedikit, masih bisa menikmati suasana. Oke, semoga terus ya. Ini perkenalkan diri, saya sebetulnya namanya Bule Antara. Boleh cari di YouTube. Sekali lagi ini pertama kali akan diedit segala macam. Anda dapat muncul di situ. Like dan subscribe Bule Antara. Yo, selamat perkenal ya. Acara berikutnya menyediakan duit ya. Ada duit nggak? Okay, my technical assistant has just advised me that my voice was hard to hear earlier. I just met two ladies. Between them, they have 3 kids. One's husband sells the Indonesian traditional food. The other one's husband sells clothes on the side of the street. But they don't get a lot of money, so they've been working here for some years dressed as clowns, trying to add a little bit to their family income. So I wish them success, and they seem quite happy and enjoy being on part of the scene of Antara. And I encourage them to join, click, like, share, become a member of Bule Antara. Would you like to buy these, James? No? No? Not this, okay. James has got a budget of 50,000 rupees. We have to find something for James. That's not it. Let's keep walking. Do you want to spend your 50 here? You like this? Okay. You know, get something. It's cheap. Spend what you want, yeah? James has made his first choice on his 50,000 rupee budget. What's he going to buy? He likes the look of these ice creams. Let's see how it happens, yeah? No, I will have something later, yeah? So what are you having? Strawberry. Strawberry, this one is. The strawberry ice cream that James has chosen is 5,000 rupees. Maybe you boys don't know 5,000 rupees is 5 cents in Australian money. 5 cents, and you get an ice cream. Can you do that in Australia? How are you today? Can you speak English? Where are you from? Orang Sunda, Mangganing, ya gitu-gitu lah. Turun. Sotik-sotik. Kula menikah sing Jawi, sing boten Jawa no. Sing Jawa sing dalemipun ngestunipun wonten Yogyakarta niki tahun.
Saya pun di.
Piye?
Sampun di.
Sampun di Jawa Jogja.
Iki dalemipun ngestunipun Yogyakarta. Dalemipun saat menika wonten Lebak Bulus.
Lebak Bulus.
Iya deh.
Hasilnya pun di.
Sing aslinipun cap kangaroo di pantai.
Apa itu?
Cap kangaroo.
Kangguru Australia.
Ya, 5.000 untuk peserta, 5.000 sebagai pemenang. Yeay, 5.000 tahu. Kayaknya.
Berapa Bu tadi?
12.000 Bang.
Enggak, ya.
Thank you.
Jadi ini kayaknya orang Sunda. They are from West Java and they are great ladies, like Javanese ladies. And Bapak sendiri dari mana?
Jogja.
Jogja. Bodoh wae, sering banget. Mungkin Jogja, mungkin
Hotel Kauman.
Sleman. Kurang menikah.
Kauman. Sleman. Kauman.
Kauman. Saya Sleman.
Sleman.
Depok Sleman.
Oh iya.
Untuk mereka kalian sing Ibu Utario, Yayasan Saya Ibu. Dulu kerja sosial, sekarang pamer-pamer. Tak biar tahu, ini edaran pertama dari show baru di YouTube yang takang ngetop. Namanya Bule Antara. Nah, ini bulenya, ini antaranya. Kalau mau cari buku bapak di situ, dari di YouTube Bule Antara. Kalau ini episode pertama, harus dicabit kan bapak kamu muncul juga bapak ya. Wong Jo iki lo yo wes. This is a fellow from Java. Telur di Monggo ya. Segitu bang. Right, we've got a lovely Javanese bloke and a Sundanese lady. That's Indonesia. Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. Unity in diversity, yeah? Good luck, Bu. Yo. Cent ice cream. Fairly sweet, but for 5 cents, I'm not complaining. Monggo, Pak. Do you like it?
Ya, like
You like it? Sudah puas dengan 5.000? Ya ini, boleh direkam? Boleh. Saya jelek justru itu, saya yang jelek. Dan mesti bareng ibu, dia orang bakal lihat ya. Kalau sendirian, ya nggak mau. Tapi sama ibu bakal yang lihat ya.
Ya, ada di Indonesia.
Betul, saya nggak bohong loh. Dari bangsa Australia. I come from Australia. Hello, where do you come from? North Sumatra. Abang Batak. Isai Guarmo. Sino? Naganya? Naganya Uta Bule.
Kita bule.
Uta Bule. Pulangnya. Uta Batak pulangnya. So you in Ondoho. Very clever Bule. Very clever Bule. Biar tahu aja. This lady is from North Sumatra. She's a Batak. And Batak kadang-kadang bisa galak. Kadang-kadang ya. Oh, this is Batak Cinak. This is Batak Cinak ya. Okay. This is your anak?
Yes.
Memang bukan kambing ya. Memang mirip anak. Memang bukan kambing kan? Memang saya tahu itu kalau saya tahu bedanya antara kambing dan ayam. Justru show pertama, show baru di YouTube. Kalau you cari YouTube namanya Bule Antara. Saya si bulenya atau sebagian dari Antara. Jadi saya cari cerita dan cerita dari sini untuk disiarkan dalam bahasa in English and in Indonesian. Not dong Batak, maaf ya. No Batak, but we are translating in Indonesian and English. These lovely Batak people, what is it? She regrets that I will not broadcast in Batak, so maybe we'll put that on this. Boleh, kalau you dari anggota like dan subscribe, boleh antara. Dan sebelum sebentar lagi, nanti sebentar akan keluar. Kalau you kalau sudah edit hasil hari ini, akan ada introduction, terus ada episode pertama. Kalau mungkin, this is the first one, yes we do. Jadi Anda belum tahu ya, dia tahu ini pemelajarnya. Lagi ramai deh. Dan ini menarik caranya, saya cakap-cakap, ada video macam ada hal Batak, ada hal Jawa, ada hal Sunda, ada hal Lali, macam-macam deh. Ya. Halo. Ya. This is a good Batak lady, I can see ya. Sudah kelas 6 deh. Grade 4. Okay, what is your school? Where is that? Okay. And you can speak English? Very good. I am an English teacher. Sehari-hari saya jadi guru.
Di mana?
In Kelapa Gading. Dia jauh banget, tapi anaknya baik-baik di Santiago Upus di saat ini tinggal di Gunung Apa, sorry. At the moment. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry, I forget. Sudah tu aku ikut ya udah. I live in Jalan Gunung Balong 3. In Balong 3. And now in Nekat Pelus. Dekat sekolah Widuri ya. And I am an English teacher ya. So I like to see, saya ngajarin anak-anak usia di anak itu ya. Saya membantu masuk ke kelas 1, 2, 3 dan 4 di Yakobus School ya di Surabaya. A good Catholic school ya. Dia tahu juga. Katanya sekolah Katolik mahal, tapi bermutu bu. Dan buktinya orang bayar berani bayar. Tapi saya juga ngajar di SD negeri juga tadi. Dia kecil sekali sebenarnya ya. Tapi dia cuma sambilan. My YouTube, well, you are my YouTube. Talk about my YouTube is the instruction. You are the story, yeah? Not me, you are the story. So, it is... You are the story. So, I want to introduce Indonesia to the Bule who only know Bali and Jogja. Okay. They should know that Jakarta and this came back home from are a good place to come. By your... Hey, those waffles are very nice, yeah? Are they fattening? Mengendutkan ya? Kok tahu? I have a name. Sudah punya nama. Namanya Bintang Putro. Aduh, pertama kali. Ini kan pertama kali direkam untuk sejarah. Saya dikasih jajan gratis. I am given a free. Huh? It's a waffle, ya. Yeah? So I got a free waffle from Ibu Ara. Ibu Ara. Dengan anaknya? Tanya. Ara dan Tanya. Sudah tanya Ara ya? Tanya. Saya sudah tanya namanya itu apa? Ini sudah tua habis. Thank you very much. I have got free waffle. May I taste it? Ibu coba ya. I like the waffle. It is soft and warm and sweet. Very nice, yeah? Okay, cukup tadi. Terima kasih perkenalan. Bye-bye, God bless you. Mulia ada orang. God bless you too, yeah? Okay, part of our show is James's job is to jajan. So James does not know what jajan is. He's a Sri Lankan. Sri Lankans don't know jajan, but he has the jajan. And with his 10,000 rupees, James has chosen to jajan apa? Bukit karena yang jual pizza sangat tahu ya. Yo, okay James, enjoy your aqua. Yo. In line with our promise, our next purchase, Mr. James is going to buy some what? Ini namanya apa? Yes. Yes. Kuku.
Melon. It's a melon juice.
Melon. Yeah. So it's called melon juice. And ini selesai berapa duit tu? And this is 5 cents. Right? If you're coming to Andara, bring 5 cents and you get a lovely cold melon juice with strips of electric fuel melon in there. But you must save your money first. have 5 sets ready. Come to Andara. Kau tu dengan ibu siapa? Kau tu dengan Yanti dapat. Ini loh namanya apa? Dengan seharga 5.000 masuk. Kalau ibu kalau cari ini akan muncul di YouTube. YouTube namanya Bule Antara. Ini bulenya, ini antaranya. Akan ini untuk episode pertama. Dan ini kan nyari-nyari edit segala macam. Mungkin seminggu lagi muncul di YouTube ya. Monggo Bu. Okay, at Andara, there are lots of cheap things you can buy, like these shoes, yeah? These are on average about $7 or $8 US, or $10 Australian for these range of shoes. And I often wear shoes from here, and I find them quite wearable. For only $7, $8, $10, you can get a decent shoe at Andara, yeah? Betul, Pak? Betul enggak?
Betul.
Betul enggak? Bisa dapat sepatu bagus di Andara dengan harga yang murah? Bisa? Berjamin ya? Malu-malu orangnya, malu-malu orangnya. Tapi betul terbukti di Andara Anda bisa dapat sepatu dengan bermutu dan murah. Dari awas-awas yang videonya. Go. Anywhere you go in Jakarta now, there must be a padel. So at Andara, we also have padel, like everywhere else in Jakarta at the moment. Jadi di mana-mana Anda pergi ke Jakarta sekarang, pasti ketemu dengan tempat padel. Ini justru padelnya Andara. Yup. At the beginning, you may remember I gave 50,000 rupees to James to spend how he likes, just for a bit of jajan we call it. James, you've got a nice drink, you've got all these drinks, you gave some money, ice cream, but he's chosen to give me the change. But I think we'll give this to some other people on Andara. Is that okay? So I'll put this in the fund then, okay? So thank you very much, James. I know you have too much money. Let's go, yeah?